If you are on TikTok or YouTube and you like skincare content, you have probably seen LA Beautyologist or the Golden RX viral oil cleansing guide, and it really got me to thinking, how can we do this? Can we do this with fungal acne? Because as you know, I have fungal acne, and one of the things that triggers fungal acne are fatty acids that we can find in most types of oils and most cleansing balms, and those oils are feast for fungal acne, and we're not trying to feed it any more than it's already getting fed. Period. Before I started dealing with fungal acne, I really used to enjoy using cleansing balms like the one that she mentioned in her video, which I'll make sure to link below if you want to go and watch it, because it really did break down makeup and remove it super easy, and then allow me to move on to cleansing my face for my second cleanse. But again, like I said, fungal acne prevents us from using it. So it really got me to thinking, okay, I can't use olive oil or sweet almond oil or any of these cleansing balms that she recommends in her video, but what oils are fungal acne safe? Well, we know that Squalane, Squalane, not Squalene, Squalane is fungal acne safe. We also know that MCT oils are fungal acne safe. And yes, there's mineral oils, but I'm not putting mineral oil on my face because it can clog your pores. Clogged pores can exacerbate your issues and give you new ones, like closed comedones. And we don't need those. I'm not trying to give myself problems that I don't have in order to help me with the problem that I do. So I wanted to test out Squalane oil and MCT oil to see if I can really oil cleanse for the first step in my evening skincare routine. But quick disclaimer, these oils do not feed your fungal acne, aka Malassezia, because they lack the fatty acid chains that feeds that yeast. Squalane is actually naturally occurring in our skin, in our sebum, so that's not going to trigger us at all. And MCT oils is actually based out of coconut oil, which will trigger you, but it removes the acids in the coconut oil, like the lauric acid. Our fungal acne has nothing to eat, making it a safe oil for us to use. So let's go on into my experiment, shall we? So as you see over in this clip, I have a full face of makeup. I have been wearing this makeup all day. Okay, this is well worn in makeup. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to go in with Squalane oil. I am using the one from The Ordinary, 100% plant-derived Squalane oil. Squalane, while great for hydration, fighting skin damage, and getting rid of free radicals in our skin, it packs a great anti-aging punch. Okay, she punches hard in that department. But cleansing, breaking down makeup, I don't think that was her thing. As you guys can see in this clip, she really didn't do much for me when it came to breaking down that makeup. And honestly, you would have to use so much Squalane to really see a difference in removing makeup that I just don't even think it's worth it. In this clip, I had on magnetic eyeliner because if you watch my eyelash review on Glamnetic lashes, you know that I don't fool around with regular lashes. I pretty much only use magnetic lashes, but magnetic eyeliner is really difficult to get off. You really have to have a great technique in order to remove the magnetic eyeliner without tugging at your skin, because we don't need no extra wrinkles. So I try not to tug at my eyes, which is why I was so attracted to trying to figure out which oil we can use for oil cleansing with our fungal acne. Squalane ain't it, y'all. She just not it. Just keep her in your skincare routine for hydration. Oil cleansing ain't for her. This MCT oil though, sis. MCT oil really broke down and cleansed the makeup so effectively that I was shook. Like, I was not expecting it to work as well as it did, but just watch how this makeup is just melting off my face. It was working so well that I just went ahead and started to use the MCT oil on the Squalane side of my face because, baby, It even got rid of my magnetic eyeliner. Usually I use a Q-tip with warm water to really get that eyeliner off, but baby, this MCT oil, she melted right on off. I had to go over the area more than once, but I will take gently rubbing with my fingers in the oil over a Q-tip any day. You guys are watching my first time using MCT oil, but I have done it a couple of times since filming that section, and what I found is to really take your time and work that oil in 3 to 4 minutes more if you're really here for a self-care luxury experience, because we know I'm all about making it an experience. And then you want to use warm water to rinse your face. Okay, if you use cold water, you're not going to get this oil off, and it is important that you rinse the oil completely off, because that is what is going to wash away all of the makeup and the grime from your day. If you do not use warm water, you are not going to be rinsing your face effectively. But with fungal acne, you have to be careful not to use hot or steaming water, because we know that hot water and steam can exacerbate our fungal acne issues. So definitely use warm water, and if you'd like, you can use like a damp microfiber cloth to really make sure that all of that oil and the dirt and grime and makeup is completely off before you move on to your next cleanse. I am not comfortable with just oil cleansing. I like to follow up with a gentle cleanser, even though I have dry skin, to really make sure that my skin is clean and prepped and can accept all of the skincare ingredients that I'm going to be putting on it in my skincare routine that's following up next. But baby, look at this skin though. Like, look at the skin. I definitely think that it helped to draw out all of those oil plugs, especially underneath my chin where I tend to see more of that buildup. And it truly helps to get rid of all of your makeup, all your sunscreen, the dirt and the grime, without all of the rubbing and tugging and pulling that can add more stress onto our face, because like I keep telling you guys, we don't need to age faster. We're not trying to do that. And if you keep rubbing and tugging and pulling on your face with makeup wipes, sis, that's what you're doing. You're aging faster, so stop. Put the makeup wipes away and grab some MCT oil, okay? Let me know if you're going to try oil cleansing with MCT oil, and then report back. I would love to hear what your experience is too. Subscribe if you like skincare and self-care content, and I will see you all in the next one, which is conveniently placed right here.